At your service, unlocking the meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, I'm at your service. This expression is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. Let's explore together what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, I'm at your service, is a formal and polite way of expressing one's readiness and willingness to help or serve someone else. It implies that the speaker is available to assist with the needs or requests of the person they are speaking to. This expression can convey respect, humility, and the desire to be of help. Originating from a time when service and servitude were more common in society, I'm at your service carries a tone of formal politeness. It is reminiscent of a servant or butler's commitment to their master, but in modern times, it is used in a much broader and less hierarchical context. Despite its formal tone, it can be used in both formal and informal settings, depending on the situation and the relationship between the people involved. In professional contexts, in professional settings, saying, I'm at your service, can be a way to offer your expertise or assistance to colleagues, clients, or superiors. It shows your eagerness to contribute and can make a positive impression. In everyday situations, you can also use this phrase in casual settings to offer help to friends or acquaintances, though it might come off as overly formal in some cultures. It's a great way to express that you're available to assist with anything they might need, from small tasks to significant favors. Offering specific assistance. If you need any advice on that project, remember, I'm at your service. Responding to thanks. After helping someone, if they thank you, a humble response could be, don't mention it, I'm at your service. In customer service, a professional might say, welcome to our store, I'm at your service, indicating they're ready to help the customer with their needs. Understanding and using the phrase, I'm at your service, can add a layer of politeness and formality to your English communication. Whether in professional environments or personal interactions, it communicates a willingness to help and a respectful attitude towards others. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in your English language journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're always here to support your learning.